how to do this art challenge, which is famous among artists in TikTok and other social media platforms. First step, draw a character. Well, it sounds obvious, but hear me out. The tips I'm going to share with you will save a lot of time. Your drawing could be a line art of your OC or chibi version of the actual character that you're going to draw. It doesn't matter. But don't use textured brushes like this for this line art, even if it's your favorite brush. Using this kind of brush for this line art will make your life more easier. After drawing the line art, make sure there are no broken lines. Why are we doing all of this? Because we have to use fill tool. Second step, separate hair, skin, clothing and other elements into different layers. To do so, make sure the line art layer is the reference layer. Then add another layer. Drag that layer under the line art layer. This is where the fill tool comes in. Choose your favorite color and fill the hair. Then move to skin, clothes and so on. Fill all the layers one by one. If you use texture brush that have holes and gap in it, or if you didn't close the gaps between the lines, you will be forever stuck in this stage. Did I make the same mistake, coloring layers one by one for hours? I'm not that stupid. Yes, I did. Third, make a canvas filled with multiple and random colors. To do this, fill a new layer with white color. Then go to the magic wand, select noise, shift until 300. Then select billows. Go to that thunder button, select multiple. Here you go. Now we have a layer that has multiple colors. Go to layers again and count how many color-filled layers you have. Then duplicate the layer what we just made with noise effect. I have to duplicate it 8 times. Then put each layer above each color-filled layer. Then select noise layer and add the clipping mask. Fourth, use liquify tool. Select the noise layer. Again, go to the magic wand. This time choose liquify. Tap expand. Make sure the momentum is 0 and max size. Then tap on the canvas and let the magic happen. Now you have to repeat this step again and again. More tips. Don't be impatient and try to force the expansion. Just tap on the canvas and hold still for few seconds. Then slowly move the tip of the Apple pencil like this. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, stay inspired.